So if we take a look over here, I have a transmission machine connected with some hoses to the transmission. We're gonna do a transmission fluid exchange on this particular unit while we wait. Now, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. We'll prime it with oil. That's pretty good. Check for leaks. Nothing leaking. Nothing knocking. We got oil pressure, that's good. Woo! Dang, look at that. That's that soaking in overnight power foam. Oh, Lauren, what do you think?
I'm going away.
Yeah? I'm cleaning the engine out.
Wow.
That's highly effective. We need fans before we die. Quick, turn the fans on. There's a fan.
How do I,
You plug it in and then turn, then there's a switch, turn on. Uh-oh, that's pretty nasty. Here, hang on, darling, hang on. Remain calm, it's like there's a fire.
I'm like freaking out.
I know,
What do I do?
it's fine. Sorry, Katie. So, yeah, we're good. We're just cleaning engines and stuff. It's fine. Won't worry about it. Here, just blow all that out of here. Ew, little vortex of cancer. There you go. Nasty. Holy smokes. We're gonna have to vacate. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, let this thing come up, warm up some. We're gonna throw some cleaner in the transmission because that transmission fluid is absolutely horrendous. Look at that, it's black in color. That's nasty. Good pressure though. Yeah, we're gonna throw some cleaner down in the transmission, get that thing kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then after the cleaner does its dealio and this thing comes up to temp, I should have that hose here. Then we can get that hose installed and this thing should be good to go. Whew, stanky. That's so extra stanky. Let's see, where's my transmission quick clean stuff? There we go. We got a transmission fluid conditioner and a quick clean cleaner. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. So basically we'll throw in the cleaner. As the transmission pump circulates that cleaner through there, it's gonna remove any deposits and varnishes and things of that nature for the snakes to feed off of. And once it's done cleaning, we can start the exchange process in which the machine will remove old fluid while simultaneously installing new fluid and preventing them from mixing. That way we get a good clean exchange. We'll dump that in the transmission. Ding! There we go. And now we wait. Where's that vacuum leak? Oh, there's a vacuum leak. I'm a silly rabbit. I knew that was exceptionally loud. There. Now we're good. All right, let's give this like 10, 15 more minutes to warm up. Let that cleaner do its dealio. And then afterwards, we'll start the exchange process and we will get this nasty black fluid out of here and we will displace it with some super high quality BG, really nice red in color fluid. Okie dokes, this thing is it's reached operating temperature. I can feel the heat in the hose there. It's been about 15, 20 minutes or so. I was outside hanging out with Justin while this thing runs and kind of circulates. We can see that fluid's about as nasty as ever. So we're gonna go ahead and select this over to processing and we're going to begin the exchange now. So we saw that just turn this nice shiny red color. That's the indicator of our new fluid. And again, the black is still the old fluid. Now, this is gonna continue to run and exchange old fluid for new fluid. So what it's doing is as the transmission pumps the old fluid out of the unit into this tank right here. This is actually a two-part tank. There's a bladder diaphragm inside, kind of like a bag inside of the barrel or whatever. So one side's clean fluid, the other side's gonna be the dirty fluid. So as the dirty fluid comes in, it displaces some of the area inside of this tank right here, which squeezes on the rubber bladder, which then forces the new fluid out of the machine and then back into the transmission unit. So what this is gonna do is continue to continue to do the exchange up until the point where we have no more fluid in the tank. Once the fluid in the tank is exhausted, the new fluid, we will see a pressure differential, meaning a difference on the two gauges, the used gauge and the new gauge. And at that point, we should see this top indicator indicate nice, fresh, red, clean, new fluid, and at which point the process will be complete. So let's just hang out here for a minute. Let's keep an eye on this, and when it's done, we'll shut the truck down, disconnect everything, and this section of this repair will be complete. Haha! I believe that's victory at hand. See that right there? We got 60 psi on the used side, and we're down to just under 50 on that new side, and we've got red and red. So let's go ahead and bypass the machine again. That is a complete transmission exchange or fluid exchange. Let's reach in here and shut her down. Very good. So for the finalized step, all I need to do is throw in this can of conditioner into the transmission. It's part of the service. We'll dump that business in there. Very good. Okay, we'll let that kind of run down in there and settle. And in the meantime, we can go ahead and disconnect the machine from the vehicle and clean up all of our spillages and whatnot. So let us revisit our black subscribe button. Run this truck back on up. Moving on up. A little bit more of that power foam to power rinse all this business off of here. Goodbye, oily buildup. Yeah, this is good cleaner inside and outside. Good degreaser. I like it. All right, let's finish it off with some brake parts cleaner from Maximum Shiny. Yeah, running low. Another. Spray me down. Make it nice and shiny. Okay. Goodbye. Nasty. Beautiful. Can't do that. We'll ruin the engine by spraying water on it. It's going to get water inside of the throttle body and ruin everything. Nice and super shiny. The way we like it. Like shiny, pretty things. You know, ruin the water pump. Ruin that radiator hose. Go. Ruining the windshield. Beautiful.